Physics Challenge 4, Special Relativity. Based on relativity theory, explain why Grandpa's fallacy is incorrect. First of all, Grandpa's fallacy. What is it? It's in the Hollywood movie. Let's say you go back the time because you go out to the space at high speed, and then your time you're clicking faster, so the Earth is living in the past. So you go back the time and kill your grandpa. Then what's happened? You are born with grandpa, and you're not actually doesn't exist, but you exist. This is the contradiction. That's the fallacy. To have the fallacy, actually this is incorrect, right? Because you have to kill grandpa when he was young, before marriage, and give a birth to you. So grandpa married and wife give a birth, that makes your parents. Then you are there existing, but it's never happened. Here's the reason. If you understand relativity theory, okay, the time on you and grandpa can be different. The time you start moving faster at the inertial frame, say your grandpa is young here, okay, and give a birth to your parents, and give a birth to you. From here you have to go at fast speed, okay. So say this is 2000, then you can go 2020 here, and grandpa maybe still 2001. So you go back and kill grandpa. It doesn't create that situation that grandpa is killed before marriage and give a birth to your parents, okay. And so it's impossible to go back before this point. Your clock ticking faster here in a spaceship. And there's also another issue here. When you leave the Earth by spaceship, the speed is v, and when you come back speed v. Either way, time dilated in the Earth, so you should be able to go back to the past, and that idea itself is denied by the general theory of relativity, because when you go back you need acceleration, and this acceleration is going to slow the clock. So you will lose the time. You are more advanced than the Earth, but you lose during the acceleration to go back, turn around at the speed v, okay. So this time dilation is significant enough to cancel off all the time gain you have. So even you go back, the time you arrive at Earth, pretty much they catch up. Well, precise calculation has to be done. Probably it's going to be 2019 or so. So it could be exactly the same time. So when you go back to Earth, you may come back to the present time, because when you turn around here, say this turnaround time, you lose, your clock goes really slow, and they catch up while you're turning around. So that's additional reason. But first of all, relativity theory, the special relativity theories tells you you can never go back beyond the point that you're born, because your time start going faster after you're born. Okay, so from there the time difference start existing. Before that, there's no time difference between the you and whoever give a birth to you. Okay, so I hope you like this simple explanation of why Hollywood just make a story which is impossible in the physics. And please check out the video too if you like. Subscribe.